welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can use AI tool, that may be Google Gemini or ChatGPT etc., to analyze Excel sheet data or Google sheet data. Any Excel form of data you can analyze. You can just give it as an input and you can get the results. See, I have a spreadsheet, Google Sheet, and here just for the my own YouTube channel performance I want to analyze by using Google Gemini AI. See here, see I can provide this whole sheet here and ask Gemini to get some analyzation of the data according to my requirement. See here, this is the prompt you can ask. See, I'll upload an Excel or a Google sheet. Please analyze the relationship between two columns. In this example, I'm just saying like the column B and the G. Means I want a very good video that is doing good with high RPM and highest number of views. That is what my requirement, and your requirement changes to your spreadsheet and your metrics. Okay. So what I'll do is, I'll first of all on the Google Sheet I'll be downloading this as the PDF. Why I'm downloading this as PDF or Excel? So click on this PDF and click on export, because if I take the screenshot like this, only this part will be available and I can paste it over here as a photo. But I want the whole sheet to be analyzed, the total sheet to be analyzed. So I just downloaded this as the spreadsheet. Now I'll drag this and drop it over here, and I'll give this prompt. I'll upload a Google Sheet, Excel sheet in the PDF. Please analyze the relationship between two columns, column B and column G. Find out which video title performed well with high number of views and good RPM. So you can write whatever your metric is, means how do you want to analyze your data. See, manually also you can analyze using some Excel formulas and Google Sheet formulas, but you can do that. But just even if you want to test, you can just test. See here, it is taking time and analyzing, and this could give some result by analyzing this whole PDF. So in this way actually you can make use of the UI, artificial intelligence tools available to analyze data. Likewise here you can click on file and click on download and click on Microsoft Excel, and you can give this as the input also. Just drag and drop over here and you can give this as the input. See, it is saying like analysis. See here, the output is here. See, it has told me something about the final result. So in this way you can ask something like explain the relationship between two columns or two metrics, calculate the correlation if possible, basic upon these columns, or whatever the names you have given. I didn't give any names, that's the reason I just gave it like B and G. So if you rename this to something else, and you can just ask to compare those two values and identify trends or patterns, whatever it may be. In this way you can actually ask AI to analyze the entire Google Sheet or Excel sheet. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.